Hi guys, so welcome. So today in this video I'll be showing you how I got this look. So if you would like to know more about how I got this look, stay tuned. And one more thing, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to get to see more of this face. So as I basically have nothing to do, I thought let me just make this video, give you guys something, and I hope you enjoy it. First of all, I know I've already done my eyebrows, but I just wanted to show you guys that this is what I use before I put on my foundation to moisturize my face. This is from NYX. Sometimes my skin is like really dry and then it's like really oily, so this is for combination skin. The eyebrow pencil that I use is from Revolution. This is in the color dark brown, so that's the one that I use for my eyebrow. And then as concealer I used LA Girl. This is in the color Fawn GC983, so I will be using this further in this tutorial. Okay, so the foundation that I will be using now is from e.l.f. This one is the Flawless Finish foundation. This is in the color Nutmeg. I will make sure to note down all the products that I'm using in this video in the box below. So what I like to do is put a few pumps on the back of my hand. So from time to time I will be looking into the camera, and also I have a mirror down here to make sure that the color matches. Sometimes I do like to mix my e.l.f. foundation with this one, and this one is the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid in the color Caramel. My next step is doing my concealer. Done my concealer in my eye, I'm going to use this concealer palette. This is from Barry M. To give me that contoured look, I'm using this dark brown color here. I'm using this kind of brush for it. Eyeshadow. So I will be using this one today. This is from Morphe. So I will be using the color, like all the colors have like names. They're this on it. So I'll be using the color Close Up. As well, I have this palette which is from Revolution featuring Patricia Bright, and from this one I'll be using the color Workaholic size brush. So I'm mixing the Workaholic with Try Me. What's this one?
You are what I waited for. Oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. Oh, 'cause you're one love.
Alright, so now to set the concealer under my eyes, I'm using the Revolution Luxury powder. That was the banana powder from Revolution. Okay, so I decided to put on some lashes off camera. Smaller brush, I'll be going over my waterline. A bit of the Try Me from the Patricia Bright palette. I'll just add a little bit of black pencil, my waterline. And I'll use my Great Lash mascara. This is from Maybelline. Okay, so I like to use this powder. It's called True Match from L'Oreal. Okay, so what I like to do next, L'Oreal, it's called Glow Mon Amour. This is a highlighter. Okay, so what I also like to do is add a bit on my eyelid. Up to my lips. So I like to rub some Vaseline or this Nivea first, because I feel like when you put like matte lipstick, your lips get like really dry underneath, and at least with me, and I really don't like that feeling. I really love this color. Oh, I forgot. So this is from NYX. It's the color Cacao. I really love it. So after I've done the lip liner, I am going to use this one. So this is from L'Oreal, and this is in the color Mocha Chic 633. I really love this lipstick. It's matte. Now that I've fixed my lips, I just go over with any lip gloss that you have. Doesn't really matter. Looking good. So now that my lips are done, what I like to to last step, finishing spray, and this is from NYX as well. So it's long lasting matte finish. Doesn't smell bad either, so that's a plus. So this is my finishing look. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. It took me quite a lot of time, but that's fine, I guess. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.